In this video, I will go over using a Google Doc, more as a worksheet or taking a worksheet you already have, and maybe that PDF option isn't really going to work. And so you can just be typing in your questions like normal. I just opened one I already had done. But really, the main thing you're probably worried about with, so here's my question. So I type in my question, and then I like to have this box for them to have to complete. So all I do is I'm on the next line, I come up to Insert and Table, and I just do a 1 by 1, and then it puts it in there, perfect for them to type. Sometimes if you want them to know I'm looking for a longer answer, you might just want to make it bigger, and I just did that by pressing Enter. But that's just a really easy way to make your worksheet digital. And so then when we come to put that into Schoology, we'll go to Add Materials, Add Assignment, and you come to Google Drive Assignments. Now, if this is the first time you're ever doing this, I believe it's still here. Yep, in Options, you'll have to come to Account Settings, and basically you're approving that Schoology can access your drive. So you'll say Login, all of that. Mine's just warning me I already am logged in, but it should still work. We'll say Allow again. And then you'll see your documents. So if you get there and you don't see your documents, that's why you just have to go through that process. So then I'm just going to choose that and attach it. And so it puts it down there. And go ahead and just pick my other information. And that's it. But one other thing I will show you is an easy way they added this feature this year is, let's say I teach 2 different periods of the same class and they're going to do the same assignment. I can just come down to Copy Courses, pick my next class. If you have things organized, in folders or whatever, you still have to change all of that. And then you can say Create. Now I will tell you the one thing, if you're using a Google Doc for an assignment, it'll copy the assignment over, but it will not attach that Google Doc, so you do have to go back in and do that. But really, that's still saving you some time. Instead of creating the whole assignment, I just have to go and attach that. So I'll say Create, and there it is. Okay, so I also just thought I would hop on here and show you what it looks like for the students. And so I'm in as one of my students, so I'm just clicking on that assignment that I just posted. And so they'll see a screen like this. Theirs typically will be right here, since this is still showing me as a teacher. I have my in progress, and then here when they've submitted it. But it just makes that copy of it for them, which is nice. And like I said, then when they're done, they just hit the submit, and it's here in the submissions area for me to grade. So that is just how easily you can make a worksheet be a digital worksheet and just kind of cut down on that paper. So hopefully that helps you.